Hi, I'm Daniel Green. Today's discovery, Gourmia's GM650 11-in-1 Sous Vide multi-cooker, or as I call it, Gourmia's Sure Thing Sous Vide. Why a Sure Thing Sous Vide? Because if you're a fan of real sous vide but don't have the time or space for a dedicated sous vide, it's a sure thing you're going to love how the GM650 has program modes to also saute, sear, steam, slow cook, bake, roast, warm, and even make rice and yogurt. And that's beside being a world-class sous vide water oven. And in case you're wondering why serious chefs like yours truly prefer the GM650 to a dedicated sous vide, here's 10 very good reasons why. First, there's these steaks I was just about to serve, and the trick is to get them to look as good as they'll taste. Yeah, sure, you could reach for a blowtorch, dirty up the oven or broiler, but why bother when your GM650 has the modes you need to get the job done well? Just lift the tempered glass lid safely, remove the sous vide rack, add a few drops of oil to the cooking surface, set the selector for saute, wait a moment for the precision heating element to heat the non-stick interior, and then just place your steak on it. Before you know it, your steaks are seared to perfection and look good enough to eat. In fact, I'll even let you in on a little secret. Want to know why my kitchen looks so clean even though I've just finished preparing a full dinner? And no, it's not because I ordered takeout. It's because everything you see right here was created using only my Gourmia GM650. Well, when I say everything, maybe not everything.